Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Aer Lingus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight status button. And as you can see, there are two options that you can choose. So you can check your flight status by city or by flight number. So if you want to check it by flight number, just type in your flight number and your flight date, and then just click on the checked flight status button. And if you enter your number, it will appear here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.